First of all, I would like to thank you all of attend the honorable ceremony to launch the third phase of the food security support project in Pakistan for the year 2025. It's my pleasure to participate in the ceremony on behalf of my country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, to hand over 30,000 food baskets will be distributed among the needy people across Pakistan.
It is an honor and a privilege to stand here today as we witness yet another noble gesture of generosity and brotherhood by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia towards the people of Pakistan. This food distribution initiative for the poor and needy is not just an act of charity, but a reflection of the deep-rooted, historic, and unbreakable bonds between our two brother countries.